The other thing you want is you want to protect our future, which is our youth. And for those of you that know me, you know my heart is for the youth, because they're one day going to take our place. My parents raised me to serve. No matter where you are, you serve the people around you. So I asked you, what do you want? And the first thing you told me is that you want community partnership. You want businesses, church groups, civic groups to team up with the sheriff's office and make a change for all of us. Teaching our youth, crime prevention programs, and working on things that gives you a say-so in this department because it's yours. This is a night of family and friends. It's not a night about talking about politics. Do you agree with that? So I'll tell you what we're going to do instead. I have an honored guest here with me that I would be remiss if I did not recognize. He has been one of my friends for a very long time. And I'm going to tell you this, gentleman, when I used to run the honor guard, he would come to me at functions and he would salute and he would ask me, "Sir, permission to fall in line." And my heart would melt. Because this man has sacrificed more than anyone else that I know, and I'm going to recognize him tonight because I want him to be noticed. Mr. O'Neill Hoover, would you come to the front?